In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop your images in Wix, how to edit image sizes on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image on your page, resize it cleanly, and control how it fills its frame so your design looks polished and consistent. First, open your Wix site editor and head to the media section in the left-hand sidebar. Think of this as your personal photo library. Everything you've uploaded lives here, so it's the best place to organize and find the images you plan to use. If you already have your image in the gallery, select it. If not, click Upload and drag in your file from your computer. Once it's in the gallery, choose the image and hit Add to Page. That drops it onto your current layout so you can start adjusting it in context with your design. With the image on your canvas, click it once to reveal the small white handles around the edges and corners. To keep the image looking natural while you resize, drag one of the corner handles. This scales the image up or down proportionally, so there's no distortion. If you drag a side, top, or bottom handle, you're changing only one dimension, and that can stretch or squish the picture. Use that only if you're deliberately shaping the frame and you're okay with the image warping. As you resize, watch the snap lines and alignment guides to keep things tidy and balanced on the page. Next, control how the image sits inside its frame by clicking the little gear-shaped settings icon that appears near the image. In the display mode dropdown, you'll see three important options. Fit to bounding box shows the entire image inside the frame, which prevents cropping but may leave empty space. Fill bounding box makes the image cover every inch of the frame. It can crop edges or stretch if needed, so choose this when full coverage matters more than seeing every pixel. Keep image ratio locks the original proportions to avoid distortion, which is ideal for maintaining professional quality. For precise sizing, move to the inspector pane on the right side of the editor. Here you can type in exact pixel values for width and height. This is perfect when you want a row of images to match exactly, or when you're following a style guide. Set consistent dimensions across pages to create a cohesive look, and be mindful that very large dimensions can impact load times. That's it.